Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my vlog. Hello mga loves, kamusta kayo? Long time na hindi ako nakapag-video. So ngayon guys, pupunta kami ng Indonesian restaurant nitong si Rahat. Ayan. So it's been how many days we didn't? 1 week, no?
Yeah.
Like 1 week kaming hindi nakita kasi medyo naging busy sa work. So ayan, nagkaroon kami ng chance kasi nag-compo pa ako ngayon. So kakain kami ngayon dinner. Papunta kami ng Indonesian restaurant. But here it's not allowed to.
What?
How you will U-turn?
Their left not allowed. U-turn allowed.
Okay. So yan guys, papunta na kami sa may, ito po yung World Trade Center. Ayan yung mall sa may World Trade Center. Say hi, Rahat.
Hi everyone. Good evening.
Long time, yeah. So now we're checking. We're going to check. We will try the food in what's the name of the restaurant? Rempa? Huh?
Nikia. Al Nikia restaurant.
It's not here. So yun guys, kamusta kayo? Anong balita? War, no? Between
Philippines on.
There's a war between Iran and Israel, no? Hopefully the war will finish because too many kids affected. They feel hungry.
Yeah.
So yun guys, let's pray for the world peace. There's a lot of big problem around the world, climate changing, so we should prioritize these things than fighting, no? And make war. So yun guys, ingat po tayong lahat and let's pray na matapos na po yung kaguluhan at magmahalan na lang tayong lahat. Let's love each other, no? Love, respect each other. So that's the most important thing. Yeah, and always remember God, pray to God. Yeah. Yun guys. So on the way na kami, dito na kami na traffic lang ngayon sa ano kasi rush hour now na. It's rush hour, no? So people from office going home. Yeah. Ayan guys, so papunta na kami. You have gas or no? Huh? You can go petrol first, no? If you want.
Later.
Exit the roundabout onto 18th Street. In 200 meters, continue straight to stay on 18th Street. Sheikh Rashid bin Said Street. Continue straight to stay on 18th Street. Sheikh Rashid bin Said Street.
May mga meat shop din dito guys sa Abu Dhabi. They have restaurant
Continue
also
on 18th Street for 3 kilometers.
What?
Restaurant.
Yeah, but
Let's try this Indonesian. Sino siya? Ang nakitang tumiring talagang manggigil ka. Daling-daling mo, galaw na gusto ko. Sige, igiling mahihig ko. Daling-daling mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling mahihig ko. Daling-daling, ay pa. Daling-daling, ay pa. Daling-daling, daling-daling, ay pa. Sino siya? Ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang sino siya? Di na kayang pigilin, talagang manggigil ka. Daling-daling mo, galaw na gusto ko. Sige, igiling mahihig ko. Daling-daling mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling Filipino dance. So he likes the Filipino dance, huh?
I see your video. This song.
You see my dance? It's good?
Yeah.
Huh?
Darling, darling.
Dubai Islands. Dubai's largest giant waterfront community.
This is nice song.
Developed by
You like the dance?
This is nice song. Darling, darling, darling.
Man-made island, where you can enjoy more than 20 kilometers of beaches, 90 hotels and resorts, 9 yacht clubs, and 2 golf courses.
See? Also this nice. You can put mo baby. Baby, you know baby, right? Nice. So guys, ito, meron din dito Metro Manila. See? Akala nyo sa Pinas lang may Metro Manila. Meron din dito guys. Ayan siya. Supermarket yun guys. Sikat yun dito. Marami na rito sa Abu Dhabi. Al-Madina. Yan. So 2 minutes left. And there's a gasoline, no? Huh? Yeah, better, no? 95.
Continue straight, then turn right onto 18th Street.
So yun guys, nakapagkarga na kami ng gas.
Turn right onto Khadija
This
Bin
is the
Khuwailid Street.
kids in my country. Nice, huh?
In 600
So guys,
meters,
malapit
turn
na
right onto
kami.
Al-Yalays Street.
We are near, no? 3 minutes. So it's near this area. All villa here, no? Huh? Open the line.
Pásame la maldita manguera, si no te voy a hacer tu lío. Keep me
No,
what
nice.
fue. Y la cosa suena ra. Y la cosa suena ra.
So inabot na kami ng gabi guys. Now it's night. We go still day.
Y la cosa suena ra. Y la cosa suena
2
ra.
minutes. Yeah.
Scooby-Doo papa. Y el pum 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 pum. Y el pum 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 pum. Y el pum 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 pum.
You also dancing or no?
Y la cosa suena ra.
Hindi raw siya sumunod. Why you are not dancing?
Al-Yalays Street.
Scooby-Doo papa. Y el pum 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 pum. Y el pum 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 pum. Y el pum 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 pum. Pum 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 pum. Y la cosa suena ra.
200 meters, turn left to stay on
So we
Al-Yalays
need to
Street.
find parking. Yeah, I think this one, right? Or no? Yeah.
Take the next left to stay on Al-Yalays Street, then your destination will be on the left.
So yan guys, nakarating na kami. Hanapin na lang namin. You know which building is that?
Your destination is on the left.
What is this? So guys, nandito na kami sa place. Pero parang wala kami nakikitang Indonesian restaurant. Can you check here? That way, okay.
Head southeast on Al-Yalays Street, then turn left.
Huh? Huh?
ਰਾਣਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮਰਜ਼ੀਆਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਹੋ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਅੱਜ 4 ਦਿਨ 5 ਦਿਨ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਗਰ ਦੱਸੋ ਜੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ
So which one? This one.
Yeah.
So guys, ito nahanap na namin. Ito pala yung pangalan ng ano niya. Authentic Indonesian cuisine. Ayan siya. So yan guys. So ito guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng restaurant nila. Ayan siya. So ang ganda ng concept. Maano mo talaga yung Indonesian style. Press. It's recording. You can make up.
Yeah.
Very down, no? You can turn like this. What drinks you have, Ate?
We have coconut, tea, and soft drinks.
What do you like drinks? Coconut, they have coconut. You have beer, Ate? The drinks, yeah? Show me. Ah, okay. Okay. Or you want water only?
It's okay, but
Water, yeah. Cold not cold, right? You don't like cold. No? For me, Ate,
I have also coconut, sir.
where's the coconut? I have a friend in Surabaya. I used to work with them in Saudi before. Indonesian, my friend, Jakarta, Cianjur, right? Cianjur and Surabaya.
So you can speak
A little, yeah. You want to see? Where's that, Ate? Ah. This one.
there's coconut,
I like this, Ate. You have lemon something, lemon tea? This lemon mint? Lemon tea. It's cold, Ate. You have cold, no? Okay, that one. Yeah. That's it for now. I will show in the vlog, eh?
So nasi goreng chicken, and then I makan santai, and then
Okay. Thank you.
the
Yeah. Thank you. So yun guys, nandito na kami sa restaurant. Ayan. Punta lang kayo, it's near Airport Road. Ayan siya guys.
तेल को लस नहीं करना तो
So guys, ito yung in-order ni Rahat. Ayan. Bakar kalasat. Tapos ako naman yung nasi goreng ito. Kasi favorite ko to sa Indonesian food. Yan, yung nasi goreng. Yan siya. See guys, ang cute ng nila. Pati yung goblet. Ayan yung pangalan ng restaurant. So first time you will eat?
yeah.
You didn't try Indonesian food? Indonesian, Thailand, I like. Ang sarap guys yung tea nila, yung lemon tea. So yan guys, na-serve na yung nasi goreng ko. Ayan siya. So yan guys, itikman ni Rahat yung try, it's good, ha? So guys, titikman ko na yung ano. Yung ito, may extra sa ibabaw. Crispy. It's like that. You have like that, right? In Philippines, we call chicharon. So guys, meron din silang parang ano, chicharon. Ayan guys. Try this. Eat like that, yeah. Barbecue. Huh? Nice. Mm. You like it? So yan ang nagustuhan doon sa barat. You like that? Nice. Tasty. You feel the nuts, no? The nuts, right? The sauce. Yeah. Your food. So ayan guys, sinarve na ni ate yung kanyang... Thank you ate. Ito yung karakat. Meron siyang... Meron siyang... Parang grilled chicken. It's tofu. I think it's tofu. Yeah.
Tofu mean?
It's beans. Beans. Try it. Look. Taste. Spicy. So how is it? Good? Oh, see? You don't like it?
Oh my God! Wow!
Try the soup, no? It's vegetable. With tofu also. Sarap guys ng rice nila. Tapos parang may nakamix na chicken na rin doon sa rice. You like the sauce? The chili sauce? No?
Yeah.
You like? Try namin yung chili sauce.
Yeah.
Super spicy, ano? guys, meron siyang chicken. Tapos meron siyang side dish ng cucumber. See, good to try this one.
This rice good. You take this one?
The first time you eat, no?
Yes.
You like it? Hmm? You have seen like that in Pakistan? No? Because for you only biryani, right? The rice.
Biryani and white rice.
What do you like, the chicken? You should go back.
You want?
Namiss ko guys yung yung satay kasi masarap yung satay ng Indonesia. The good is the meat of the chicken very soft. Ang lambot guys yung chicken, yung kay Rahad. I'm full.
Me also.
So yan guys, after namin kumain, ubos. Sinot. So yan guys yung concept ng restaurant nila. Ang ganda. So may mga ano rin sila, juice. So yan guys, that's our video for today. Ginabi na kami. We finished night, no? So try to visit this Indonesia na authentic Rempa. Authentic Indonesian cuisine. Dito siya near, this is Airport Road, what?
Yeah.
So Rahad, you enjoy?
Yeah.
What do you like?
Indonesian food. Chicken, very spicy and
The rice.
so.
You like the rice, no?
Yeah.
Rahad like the rice that I order. But the rice you order, you don't like, no? Plain, no?
Yeah, I like.
Make video.
Put back camera.
So first time you order?
Yeah, I enjoy.
That is my driver.
This
So
is
guys, that's our video for today. So pag gusto nyo mag-visit, dito lang siya near Airport Road. Hanapin nyo lang yung Rempa Indonesian cuisine, authentic Indonesian cuisine. So dito lang makikita nyo siya. Search nyo lang sa Google Map.
yeah.
Ayun guys. So thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoy our video for today. So thank you sa inyong pagsuporta. Ingat kayo guys and let's pray na mag-end na itong war na nangyayari sa mundo natin. So let's spread love to everyone. God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye Rahad. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye
Yeah.
everyone. Thank you.
Yeah,
We
bye.
will see next vlog.
Yeah. See you on next vlog. Bye.
Bye.
Walking with you on the sidewalk, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding